In this video, we will explore root cause versus symptom. For more such business analysis videos, please subscribe to our channel.
All organizations on the face of the earth are constantly bombarded with challenges. These challenges may emanate from internal factors or external factors. We can also call the challenge as a problem. A business analyst's role is to recommend a solution to organizational problems. Let us understand the nature of the problem itself. The problem is like a package. It has two components. One is the root cause and the other is the symptom. A symptom is the external manifestation of a root cause. We need to identify, analyze, and trace it to the root cause. Sometimes, in a hurry or due to paucity of time, a business analyst may try to hold on to the symptom and try to develop a solution for the symptom. This is a fundamental mistake one can make while trying to solve a problem. Such kind of approach may provide short-term relief, but the root cause will show up with some other symptoms sooner or later. The right approach is to identify the root cause responsible for the symptom. The solution needs to be developed for the root cause to permanently solve it. Most of the time, when you interview the stakeholders, none of them will tell you the root cause, rather, you will get loads of symptoms. It is the primary responsibility of the business analyst to discover the root cause and recommend the solution. In summary, to build a long-lasting solution, one should identify the root cause and develop a solution. Of course, symptoms are also important, but their purpose is predominantly served when you identify the root cause.
For more details about our business analysis training, business analysis certifications, and business advisory services, please visit our website.